I can't go to game chat in this fucking game. Alright, just no one. There, start it.
3, 2, 1. Bro! Because... close my door.
So loud too, bro.
Yeah, I know.
My
sensitivity is so low.
Guys, where are you?
How do you run again?
Guys? Left trigger.
Hey.
Wait, hold on. I'll
Hey.
LT.
Wait, how do you turn on flashlight?
X.
Oh, X.
Oh!
Strobe lights.
Wait, who's this? Who's this in the black jacket?
Bass! It's me. I'm over here. I'm flashing up on. Flashing my flashlight.
Oh my god! What the heck? Wait, who's this?
You guys, we need to stay together.
Yeah,
I think
over
this is
here.
Damien.
God damn.
Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, watch.
Phew!
Go.
Where are you guys?
We're all here,
Alex.
I'm trolling whoever.
Okay, guys, I'll lead the way. I'll lead the way. Follow me.
She's right there. What the heck?
Oh, okay.
There's a tape over here, guys. It's a new mixtape. This shank is fire.
Oh, guys, I felt my controller vibrated. He's near.
He's getting very static right now.
What's the mixtape?
I hear something. Oh, right here.
Bro, let me pick it up. That's my mixtape. It's fire.
Oh dang.
Oh my god, he's already.
Where? Oh, ah!
He's not even here. I'll see him.
Run! He's right there! Run!
He's right there. I'll see him. I ain't turning around then. Fuck that.
Go!
Ah! Run! Oh god, the green thing's over there!
Go! Just
Oh
go!
my God.
Just
Go!
He's not chasing us. He's still back here.
What? Where is he? Ah! He's over there!
Oh my god, the waters are.
Oh no, green thing!
Where is he?
Oh my god, dude.
Oh, guys, guys!
He's over there.
What the heck?
Oh, don't get near that. We're trapped!
No, go this way, go this way!
Go this way.
Yeah.
What are you gonna do?
Oh, okay.
I see you guys. I'm over here.
Alright, I see. Go, just go, bro, just go. Oh my god, he's right there!
Oh god, run! I'm turning off my flashlight and I'm out. Guys, turn off your flashlight. If you run, you run faster.
But we can't see each other.
I'm right in front of you guys.
No, ditch.
Oh, he's right there. I see him behind the statue. Run. Where are we all here? Okay, yeah.
Yeah, go.
Alex, you guy looks so stupid.
No, I don't. Shut up.
God, is he still behind?
Where's? I think we lost him.
Hey, Alex, turn around and keep walking back.
Damn, I see you, Alex.
Oh god, run!
Yo!
Oh! Here. Oh god, he's right there. Run this way.
I haven't seen him, but I really hope I don't.
Where's he? Okay, I don't see him.
I'm gonna turn off my light, so I'll just follow you guys.
Oh my god, it just popped up on my screen, but I don't know where he at.
Oh my god,
Okay, so we have one mix. No, he's not. Don't let him. No, he's not. Where?
he's right there. Oh, he's gone.
Lies. Okay, I don't want to go here. Dude.
I'm
What is
scared.
that? Is that a dinosaur? What is that thing?
Dragon.
Fucking dragon.
I think there's a mixtape here.
Oh my god.
Bro, it looks like T-Ray kind of.
How do we run very slowly?
You can see by the teeth and in the eyes. That's
There's
Tippo.
probably something in here. Let's check around. There's probably something here.
Yeah.
There's a mixtape in here. I don't know where it's at though.
Probably in one of these mouths. Oh my god,
I
bro,
can
he's
hear
right
him,
behind
bro.
us. Oh my god, dude, he's right there, bro. Oh my god.
Where? Oh god! Run!
Where?
Oh my god.
Dude. Oh, guys, he's right there. Run! I'm running. Bye. See you guys. I'm running for my life. I'm joking. Wait. Guys! No, the mixtape's not there. Sometimes. Oh, I see him. He's behind that rock. Oh god, his head was turned. I know, you like that?
Oh!
You like me moonwalking? I know, right? I could go squiggly lines too. Oh, run! Run!
Yo, how do you...
Oh, wait, what are these? Oh, guys. Oh, right here, mixtape. Oh, what the heck? Mixtape.
Right there, yeah.
Right there.
I can't get through it.
Like fuzzy.
Yeah.
There we go. What's this? Oh my god.
What the heck?
Is he holding his own head?
Yeah.
Right.
Oh my.
Dang.
Yo, why am I in the back, bro? I'm not trying to be in the back.
I don't want to be in the front. I'm going to be in the middle.
Oh, dude, man, you're leading us. You know what you're doing.
Okay, follow me. Okay, hold up. This way.
No, I'm not being in the back. You guys can be in the back. I'm good.
No. No way. Oh my god. Oh, he's right there. Oh.
No, where? Oh! Run! Where'd you guys go?
Oh my god, dude,
Guys! Oh! Guys, you guys left me!
Oh wait, oh my god, who's this right here? Let's go, let's just go. I think this is
Yo, let's get the shit out of me!
Damien.
Oh god!
Oh my god, just there.
Wait,
Where? Guys! Oh, hey. Oh, run!
oh my god, Alex, let's go. I don't know who this is, but we're going.
Let's go. It's me! Are you the girl?
Oh, okay, Damien.
Run. Face killer. I'm with face killer. Face killer, he's here somewhere.
I'm splitting up.
Yeah, like, me and Damien are gonna stay together. You guys stay. Oh my god. Oh, he's disappearing. He disappeared.
Hey, face killer, I need to go get my charger. Can you protect me?
He's behind you.
Oh my god.
Where?
Damien, where'd you go? Oh my
Where? Oh.
Damien, he's right there.
I'm right here.
Oh my god. Touch the wall. Get to the wall. Get to the wall.
How do you guys not get scared, bro? I get scared shitless.
Oh my god, bro. Oh! Run faster. Let's go.
Can we crouch?
Run.
No, we
I don't
can't.
know. Damien, are you still behind me? Okay.
Yo, your
he's
fucking
not
light's
behind us
flickering.
anymore. Yeah, I know.
Face killer, protect me. Stay with me. Stay here. I need to go get my charger for my computer. I'll be back.
You're around,
follow
man.
you,
You
okay?
want to see him?
Damien, I'll follow you because my light's dying. Oh my god, bro. My light's flickering. Is your light flickering?
This too. It's flickering.
Alright, we gotta find them. We gotta find the others.
I know.
Oh, we found the dragon heads again. Let's see if they're, we never found one here in the dragon heads. Oh my god, that's kind of
bro. I'm trying to listen. It's saying to me. Yelling.
Oh shit.
Run! Oh god, bro!
He killed me!
Yo.
Who died?
I did because Alex recharged himself with AFK to get a recharge charger for his retarded. By a
Yo, this is me and you.
wow. I know where they.
Oh!
Just me and you.
I'll walk backwards and I'll look behind
Me
you.
and you.
Oh my god, Damien, there he is. His head's
Where are you guys?
Over here.
I'm a ghost. I think I see you guys.
There's only two of us now.
Yeah, let's go this way.
I'm sorry. We'll do another round.
Wait, can you guys spectate us?
No, we're ghosts. I'm gonna try to come find you guys. Oh wait, I see your lights. Someone flickered their light.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I see you guys. But the problem is we can't like sprint.
I don't know. Yeah, we weren't. Wait, what? Are we walking? Oh my god!
Tape here.
Where is it? Is it in the dragon head?
What?
Yeah, by the dragon head. Go back to the dragon head. There's a mix. Right here.
Oh guys, there's a mixtape right here. Mixtape right here. Oh yeah, hey, what's up, face color?
Yeah, you can. You see us as like ghosts.
Where?
Yeah.
Like here.
Oh, I see you.
Peekaboo!
Look, right
Oh,
here.
we can just follow you, bro. Oh my god.
Casper?
Look, there's a mix.
We don't have to
Look, there's one right here.
follow you.
Casper the friendly ghost?
Yeah, but we can't see the white guy. Only you guys can.
Okay. Alright, let's go.
Shh, listen.
Again.
Yeah, Alex, since you're.
Okay, follow me, guys.
I'm a ghost too, so I mean, you know.
guys want to see some ghost stuff? Moonwalking ghost.
Oh, dang. Okay.
Dude, he's a pop star even when he's
You
dead.
know that moonwalk.
Oh.
I don't know, right?
Thing's right there, bro. The green thing's right there.
Yo, that's Michael.
Where? Oh yeah? I'll fight it. Huh? Come on. Come on, fight me. Fight me.
He's literally walking towards him.
Fight me. Fight me. Huh? Fight me. Fight me.
What up,
Maybe there's
bro?
probably something in these pillars things. I don't know.
This isn't the green thing, is it?
Oh! I'm out of here, bro. I'm out of here, bro. Let's get out of here, Damien.
Why?
Where did you guys go? Oh.
Oh!
What?
Damien,
What?
where'd you go?
What?
Oh, he's right there. Oh!
Did you die?
Oh dang! Oh dang!
No,
Where is he?
no, please, don't make me do this. Yo, please.
Oh, Damien, we're protecting you. Look at his body.
No.
Look at that. Look at his face. Oh, Damien, it's behind you!
Fuck off me! Don't try to
I was
fuck
kidding, I
game
can't
make me
see
or
it.
something.
Wait, stand still, stand still, stand still. Stand still. Look at this, look at this. Stand still. Hey, little moment. Oh, damn!
A memory of
Fuck
FramedCube.
this
FramedCube,
game.
dude.
I fucking hate scary games, guys. Alright, guys, it's your boy Stats. If you guys enjoyed, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. Tell you guys peace and bye. Fuck this game.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video and please subscribe and like the video.